You may already have baking soda on your kitchen shelf, especially if you make baked foods like cakes, muffins, and cookies. But baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, can do much more than just help your cookies puff up. And did you know that it's traditionally used by many athletes to help boost their exercise performance? That's right. In today's episode, let's explore some of the most amazing benefits of baking soda that can change your life. Without any delay, let's begin. Number 1. Teeth whitener. Did you know that baking soda is also an ingredient in many toothpastes? And that's mainly because it has awesome cleaning effects. Baking soda has a fine texture that acts as a gentle abrasive, and when you brush your teeth with baking soda, it helps remove surface stains caused by things like coffee, tea, or tobacco. So you can call it a natural teeth whitener to brighten your smile and remove surface stains. You can think of it as a mild polish for your teeth, helping you to remove plaque and give your teeth an extra shine. Another great thing about baking soda is that it can help you get rid of bad mouth odor and freshen your breath. It can effectively remove bad smells caused by certain foods and drinks, bacteria, and other factors, leaving you with a clean mouth and a fresher breath. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Heartburn relief. Are you having that burning sensation called heartburn due to gas or acid reflux? Simply mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water. Mix it thoroughly and drink it. It can work like magic to relieve the pain and discomfort due to heartburn. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is alkaline in nature, due to which it can help neutralize excess stomach acid. So when you drink it with water, it reacts with the stomach acid and converts it into carbon dioxide, water, and salts. Carbon dioxide releases through your mouth, making you burp, just as you burp after drinking soda drinks, while water and salts aid in digestion and take the food down in the intestines with them. So eventually, drinking a mixture of baking soda and water can provide you with relief from heartburn symptoms, such as the burning sensation in the chest, discomfort due to gas, and regurgitation. But remember, if you already have any underlying condition like chronic heartburn, stomach ulcers, high blood pressure, edema, or kidney disease, you should ask your healthcare professional first. Baking soda contains sodium, which can be harmful to people with high blood pressure or kidney disease. Apart from that, you can have this ready-made soda water at home and enjoy the amazing benefits of baking soda. Number 3. Facial exfoliator. Are you suffering from excess oil and acne on your skin? Don't worry, because we have a solution for you. Simply mix a small amount of baking soda with water or a good face wash to create a thick paste. You can also add a few drops of essential oils or honey for added benefits. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or excess oils. Then gently apply the baking soda paste to your damp face, avoiding the delicate eye area. But be careful not to apply too much pressure, as baking soda can be abrasive. After gently exfoliating your skin for about a minute, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. Baking soda's abrasive texture can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, resulting in smoother and brighter-looking skin. Another important thing to remember is that baking soda has a higher pH level, which can disrupt the natural balance of the skin's acidity. This can cause dryness and irritation in the skin for some people. Everyone's skin is different, so it's best if you perform a patch test on a small area of skin before using baking soda on your face. If you notice any signs of irritation or discomfort, it's best to discontinue use and look for other better options. Number 4. Natural deodorant. Is that unpleasant underarm odor troubling you? No worries. Simply take a small amount of baking soda and apply it to your underarms. Let the baking soda dry on your skin before getting dressed. Baking soda will absorb the sweat, which could be providing a breeding ground for bacteria. And with its antimicrobial properties, baking soda helps kill these bacteria that could be causing that unpleasant underarm odor. You can also make your own baking soda deodorant by adding a few drops of essential oils to the mix. Essential oils like lavender oil, tea tree oil, or citrus oil not only have a nice scent, but also have antimicrobial properties that can further help control odor-causing bacteria. By adding essential oils, you can create a more pleasant fragrance for your homemade baking soda deodorant. Number 5. Foot soak. Just like underarm smells, baking soda can also help neutralize bad foot odors. Fill a basin or foot tub with enough lukewarm water to dip your feet in. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda to this water and stir to dissolve. Place your feet in the baking soda foot soak and just relax for 15 to 20 minutes. You can gently massage your feet or use a foot scrub to enhance the exfoliating effect. After the soaking time, remove your feet from the foot soak and rinse them with clean water. Then make them dry and apply a moisturizer or foot cream to your feet to lock in moisture and keep them soft. Doing this can not just eliminate that bad foot odor, but can also provide you with a soothing and relaxing experience. Plus, it can help to relieve foot discomfort, fatigue, and even foot pain to some extent. Number 6. Drain cleaner. Baking soda can also act as a drain cleaner for minor clogs and maintenance purposes. First of all, make sure the drain is dry before you begin the process. Start by pouring about a half cup to 1 cup of baking soda directly into the drain. After that, you can either pour a mixture of vinegar and hot water, or just plain hot water. The vinegar will react with the baking soda, creating a bubbling action that helps break down debris. If you are using just hot water alone, pour about 2 to 3 cups of hot water down the drain. Allow the mixture of baking soda, vinegar, and hot water to sit in the drain for at least 15 minutes, or preferably overnight for more stubborn clogs. After that, flush the drain with water. This can help rinse away any loosened debris and ensure proper drainage. Number 7. Hair cleanser. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda with enough water to form a paste. The amount of baking soda and water may vary depending on the length and thickness of your hair. Wet your hair thoroughly and apply the baking soda paste to your scalp, working it through to the ends of your hair. Focus on massaging the scalp to remove any oil or dirt buildup. Leave the baking soda mixture on your hair for a few minutes to allow it to work its magic. Then rinse your hair with lukewarm water to remove the baking soda mixture completely. Then apply a conditioner to moisturize your hair. You can also use a mixture of 1 part apple cider vinegar and 4 parts water as a final rinse, focusing on the ends of your hair. It's important to note that baking soda should not be used as a regular shampoo replacement, as it can be too harsh for some hair types. So if you have dry or chemically treated hair, it's best to consult with a hairstylist or dermatologist before using baking soda on your hair. Number 8. Fruit and vegetable wash. Fill a clean bowl or sink with water. Add about 2 tablespoons of baking soda in 4 cups of water. Stir the mixture until the baking soda dissolves. Then place the fruits and vegetables in the baking soda solution and let them soak for a few minutes. You can gently swish them around to ensure thorough cleaning. After soaking and scrubbing, rinse the fruit under running water to remove any remaining baking soda residue, dirt, or other contaminants. This is very important because if baking soda is still residing on the fruit, it can potentially change the taste or texture of the fruit or vegetable, so be careful. Number 9. Silver cleaner. If your silver utensils have lost their shine, no problem. Simply mix baking soda with water to form a paste-like consistency. Then use a soft cloth or sponge to apply the baking soda paste to the stained silver. Gently rub the paste onto the silver, covering the entire surface and focusing on the tarnished areas. Allow the baking soda paste to sit on the silver for a few minutes. This gives the baking soda time to react with the tarnish and loosen it. Then using a soft cloth or sponge, gently scrub the silver in circular motions. Rinse the silver thoroughly with warm water to remove any remaining baking soda residue. It'll look as good as new. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.